All right, these are going to be some shoulder isometric movements. So we are going to work into flexion, which is pressing up ahead in front of you, abduction, which is like moving into a snow angel movement, and then internal and external rotation, so rotating these directions. So firstly, for flexion, what we're going to do is get really close to a wall. Using a doorway tends to be a really easy way to do this because you have different access points at the wall. So from here, we're going to push forward with the arm pressing into a wall. So again, pushing forward like so. We're gonna hold here for about 5 seconds, working up towards 10 seconds, and then release. Again, we'll push forward into the wall, holding, and then release. After that, we're going to do what's called abduction movement. So as if you're moving into a snow angel kind of a movement. So pushing out into the wall this way. We'll push the back of the hand into the wall, pushing, and then let off. As you're pushing, these should be about 40 to 50% max intensity, so not pushing terribly hard, not enough to elicit a lot of pain in the shoulder, but enough that we're starting to work on building up that strength. Lastly, we're going to do rotational movements. So first we'll use the wall, and then as if you were going to rotate in like this, you're going to press into the wall, keeping the elbow kind of glued at your side. Again, holding about 5 seconds and then letting off. Holding and letting off. And then we're also going to push out. So again, elbow tucked in at the side, pushing into the wall with the back of the hand, and then letting off. Each of these, again, we're going to start with holding for 5 seconds and work up to about 10 seconds as your strength increases. We're going to also start with 5 reps of each, and if you're able to get to them 2 to 3 times a day, that'll be best. With this movement, so we've got these isometric movements. I also want you working on shoulder pulleys, so the one hooked into the door. With that, using the right arm to help pull the left up, so again, increasing the range through the left, and then using the left arm to control on the way down, only helping a little bit with the right arm.